The demand for reliable, all-in-one tools is rapidly increasing as people seek compact solutions for outdoor adventures, quick fixes, or everyday use. Multi-tools combine practicality and portability, offering everything from screwdrivers to pliers in a single device. In this guide, we evaluate the best multi-tools based on tool variety, build quality, ease of use, and overall value. Whether you're camping, working, Leatherman Wingman Multi-Tool with spring action pliers and scissors. The Leatherman Wingman is a fan favorite multi-tool known for its durability, versatility, and smooth spring action pliers. Built from stainless steel, this compact yet rugged tool includes 14 functions: scissors, knife, screwdrivers, bottle opener, file, and more. What makes it shine is the one-hand opening blade and accessible outside tools, perfect for quick on-the-spot fixes. The spring-loaded pliers reduce hand fatigue during extended use, and the compact size means it fits comfortably in your pocket. Leatherman Rev pocket-size multi-tool with package opener and screwdrivers. The Leatherman Rev is a slimmed-down multi-tool designed for users who need essential functionality without bulk. Featuring 14 tools, including a knife, package opener, wire cutters, screwdrivers, file, and pliers. It covers most daily repair tasks with ease. Unlike some larger Leatherman models, the Rev is feather-light, making it ideal for pocket carry. It doesn't have spring-loaded pliers. Overtack Pocket Knife Multi-Tool. 15-in-1 folding knife with pliers, screwdrivers, and bottle opener. The Overtack 15-in-1 multi-tool is a versatile and rugged companion, ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, DIYers, and handymen. It features an ultra-sharp folding knife, pliers, can opener, bottle opener, saw, wire cutters, multiple screwdrivers, and more. What sets it apart is the comfortable grip and solid locking mechanism, offering confidence and stability during use. Despite the full metal body, it's lightweight and folds compactly into a sheath included, making it easy to carry on belts or in backpacks. List 4. RAK Multi-Tool Pen. Multi-tool pens, LED light, flathead Phillips screwdrivers, level, ruler, bottle opener. The RAK Multi-Tool Pen is a brilliant fusion of function and portability in a pen-sized package. This 7-in-1 tool features an LED flashlight, flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, a bubble level, ruler, bottle opener, and a stylus tip. Built with durable aluminum, it's perfect for tech-savvy users, engineers, handymen, and even teachers who appreciate a discreet EDC gadget. List 5. Amazon Basics 15-in-1 stainless steel multi-tool pocket knife with sheath. Black Amazon Basics delivers strong value with this 15-in-1 stainless steel multi-tool, combining affordability with functionality. This tool includes a knife, wire cutters, saw, bottle and can openers, screwdrivers, and pliers, all housed in a durable stainless steel body with a matte black finish. It folds neatly into a small size and comes with a nylon sheath for easy storage and transport.